Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to show you our strip view penthouse at the Bellagio from last week and show you why you should consider maybe staying somewhere else in 2023. So for starters, we are big fans of the Bellagio. We like everything they've done with the main resort tower, all the new updates. I avoided the Bellagio for probably the last 10 or 15 years just because the rooms were so dated, but the new renovations are really nice. So construction all around the property has begun in anticipation of the Formula One race in November of this year. So the massive grandstand that's going to have to be built in front of the Bellagio has not started construction yet, but the repaving has started, so getting around Las Vegas Boulevard is getting to be a challenge already. So the main reason for this trip was because we had a penthouse strip view suite fully comped from MGM Rewards. So some of you may know this already, but strip view is code for you're not in the main tower. You're going to be in the spa tower, which is the building that kind of sits a little further back off the strip right next to Vdara. So after we booked this trip, did a little research, found out they had not started renovating the spa tower yet, but they would be soon. Well, I'm going to let you know now. During the summer, the spa tower is going to be under construction. So every morning at 9 a.m., we were woke up by jackhammers. They're renovating the suites above and below you. There is a one-floor buffer, apparently, but you can definitely hear the construction noise that's going on. So I'm going to show you a little bit more of this penthouse suite as we talk more about the spa tower and the construction that's going on. So I am a fan of the spa tower location. Of course, being right above the fountains is great as far as the view is concerned, but location-wise, the spa tower, if you're going to be getting around, going to Aria, Park MGM, or further down the strip, the spa tower is a better location because the tram is right outside the elevators. Basically, you go down the elevator, up the escalator, and you are getting on the tram within a couple minutes. So as you can see, the spa tower does still have great views of the strip, but it is, as you can see throughout, starting to very much show its age as far as the decor is concerned. Lots of dings on furniture, everything else. So this was a long overdue renovation. Looking forward to seeing how this place looks once they're finished up. So if you are staying at the Bellagio in 2023, just be aware the Formula One construction is going to be there. It's going to be a mess once they start. It's going to be hard to get around. If you are staying in the spa tower, just be ready for the construction noise. Staying 2024 and beyond, it's going to be a great stay as always at the Bellagio. But if the construction is going to bother you, I would look at the Aria or even further down the strip. We hope you enjoyed this video and will consider subscribing. If you like this content, please give the video a like and drop us a comment below with where you're planning to stay in 2023. Thanks for watching.